Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series, and this is Amy from With Love by Amy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, so today we are going to unbox day 3. We gotta find it in the Crafty Advent Calendar. Found it. And I was expecting there to be a Nero embossing folder in here, but it's a border die. Awesome, I'm so excited. I guess it's like a border die and a detail strip die, I guess. So my initial thought when I saw this was that I thought it would just cut that beautiful shape out of paper. I didn't think that it was going to cut the whole outline of it too. So my initial thought was that I was going to cut that shape repeatedly out of one piece of cardstock and layer it over a solid piece of cardstock. And then I would cut that edge down at the bottom or something like that. That was my initial thought. Then after I ran it through the die cutting machine, I realized it was not going to work that way. So I had to pivot my thought process, and I am making a card base because I thought I was going to layer that with the gold cardstock that I had there, and it'd be really pretty and elegant looking. Because this is what I thought I was going to do. I was going to tape that on there, die cut it out, and I thought it was just going to leave like the shell of it, basically. But it did not do that when I die cut it. So I ended up die cutting off camera a whole bunch of that die out of that shimmery silver cardstock and also a shimmery whitish cardstock. And then in super speed here, you're going to see me glue them all onto a black card panel. I figured nobody wanted to sit and watch me, spend 20 minutes, which is probably what it took me to, weed all those dies and glue them all on. But thank you to the ability of technology and editing, you don't have to sit through 20 minutes of it. This card is part of a hop over on Instagram as well of some crafty creators that have made projects with the Advent calendar. It's always so fun to see everybody else's takes on what they thought to do with the project, the product that was provided in the same day of an Advent calendar. So this is fun to do. I did similar thing last year when I did the Advent calendar. I did look at everybody else's videos on YouTube, and I found so many different ideas. It was so cool. So here I am adhering the panel to the card base, and I did use that the scalloped edge die to trim up the edge or the bottom edge of the black panel of cardstock so that I could put a sentiment on there when I decided what I wanted to have as a sentiment on this card. I'm thinking maybe as the calendar progresses, there might be a sentiment somewhere that I can go back and finish this one up, hopefully, because I feel like it's a beautiful card. It just needs a sentiment. So we are going to glue the card panel on to the base of the card, and in reality, it looks like a nice, quick, simple card. The piece of black cardstock that I used is actually like a shimmer, I think it's Hero Arts, like a shimmery black cardstock. It's pretty cool. It actually turned out really awesome. I love it. I think it looks super elegant, and I can't wait to get a sentiment on there and finish it up. So we'll see what the future of the Advent calendar holds. There's my finalized card so far. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And here's a video of Sonic the kitty. He was just chilling, and apparently he was being the paparazzi. He wanted me to get the camera out of his face. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow and see what we got going on for day 4. And I hope you have a great day, and I really appreciate it when you like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.